Today, I'm going to tell you how to fix Marvel Rival shaders compiling slow or getting stuck, which is a common issue, especially on first launch. The first step is to update your GPU drivers. Both Nvidia and AMD pushed recent updates specifically for Marvel Rivals, and outdated drivers cause long compile times. Next, make sure your game is installed on an SSD instead of an HDD, since shaders caching reads and writes a lot of data. If shaders are still stuck, go into Steam, right click Marvel Rivals, select Properties, and under Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files to repair broken caches. Another trick is to delete shader cache folder inside your Marvel Rivals local files so the game can rebuild it fresh, which often fixes endless loops for NVIDIA users. You can also clear your system-wide shader cache by opening NVIDIA Control Panel, going to Manage 3D Settings, and hitting Delete Shader Cache. On AMD, open Adrenaline, head to Settings, Storage, reset shader cache. Finally, lower your graphics preset temporarily to medium for the first run. This compiles faster, then you can switch back to Ultra later without stalling. Once shaders finish once, load times improve drastically, and you won't face the slow compile again unless you change major settings or update drivers. That's how you fix slow or stuck shader compiling in Marvel Rivals.